So you want to know how to turn this into this? Well then keep watching, because this is going to be a good one. What's up guys, and welcome to DIY Unlimited. So the reason I'm making this video is because I needed a new desk for my room, and I wanted to just build one myself. I didn't really feel like buying one since I had everything anyway to like make one. So I wanted to make it out of pallets. And yeah, this is the finished product. This video is going to be more of a kind of a vlog style. Like, this is how I made it. There are plenty of other ways to do it. It's probably a lot better ways to make a desk, but this is how I did it with what I had. And if you want to see how I did it, then keep watching. Also, if you want to see some more DIY videos, as always, please subscribe, like this video if you really like it, and leave some comments down below, and just let me know what you think. So I figured this would be easier than me pointing at the camera and saying, oh, this is what I'm gonna do now. I figured for this video it's gonna be kind of long, so I figured just doing like a voiceover would be better. But yeah, this is me basically. I took the 2x4s that I got from the pallet wood, and I'm cutting 4 pieces that are about 28 inches long, and then 4 pieces that are 25 inches long. That way the width of the table or slash desk will be, the width will be 25 inches and the height will be 28 inches. And you'll see what I'm talking about here in a second. But this next clip is me. This is the glue I'm using. I can't tell you what it's called right now, but I'll leave a link to it. But yeah, see right here, the pieces I'm touching right now, those are the 25-inch pieces, and I'm basically just making the ends of the table slash desk. The little braces at the bottom that I'm gluing right now, right there, they're gonna come about 8 inches off the ground. Say if I were like stand these up, and yeah, I'm just gonna glue the top like that with the other 25-inch piece. And they're gonna look something like this right here. So right here, I'm cutting the boards that are gonna give it length. Basically using the scrap wood that I used. It's pallet wood, and it was a little long. It was gonna make it about I think like 4.5 feet, and I just felt like that was too long. So right now I'm cutting about 7 inches off of each end. Evenly. That way, it's not going to look weird when I'm done with it. But yeah, these are just the boards that are going to give it some length. So this next part, these little ends right here, have had plenty of time to dry. The glue is dried, and I'm just kind of screwing everything in for that little final touch. Because you don't want to just be supported by glue. The glue just kind of gives it reinforcement, makes things easier. So right here, I'm just making sure everything is perfectly aligned. That these two ends are pretty much the same. And they were a little off, but not too bad. And here's what they look like. So right here, I'm basically I have them upside down because now I'm going to work on the length. I'm going to put some glue there first. And I'm about to put those boards I was cutting earlier right there to give it the length. I guess that's how you put it, but yeah, you see where I'm going here. So right here, I'm just making sure everything is symmetrical and getting ready for the next step. So right here, a lot of this is I don't even have to explain. You kind of see what I'm doing, but I'm clamping everything down with the glue and just kind of kicking it with my foot. Just making sure everything is like it should be. And I'm just going to go ahead and screw these long boards in to the ends, and it's looking good so far. I think it was 4 feet long. So yeah, working from the inside out. There you go. And so far, this is what we got. So right here, just kind of ignore this. I had a different idea for this, but ended up just working out, kind of being for looks. But the if you look on the ends, like on the top, you see those two pieces of wood on each end that my clamp is sitting on. So right here what I'm doing is I decided to take them off and put them on the side. I had a change of heart as I was doing this, how it was going to look. So yeah, and oh, by the way, these clamps, they're pretty useful with this kind of stuff. I've had those forever, you know, with different kind of wood projects I've done, and they're great. Kind of helping you, they kind of help you connect ends and make them, you know, a 90-degree angle and stuff like that. But anyway, so this next part coming up right here, I'm taking, you know, the thin pieces of wood that come with the pallets, and basically there's the top of the table right there, and I'm letting the ends kind of stick out about 1.5 inches to kind of give it some style. You don't have to do that, but I just chose to do it this time. I was using a nail gun just then, finishing nails right there. Always wear eye protection because you know you don't want a nail to come hit you in the eye or anything. But yeah, and then right here, I'm not sure why I did this, but you can also use a hammer and nail. I mean, it's, you know, you can do that too. Because I know, you know, not everybody has a nail gun, but anyway. So on this part right here, I meant to get a video of me cutting it with my Sawzall, but it just didn't work out like I wanted. But basically what I did was just cut it along in a straight line, about 1.5 inches from the edge here. And yeah, I mean, it looks fine to me. It's a little jagged, but it doesn't really bother me that much. It's a pallet table, but there you go. This is how you make a pallet table / desk. Before I end this video, I want to know, what should I do next? Should I add to it? Should I stain it and paint it? What should I do? For any of my you know, artsy friends out there, what should I do? Let me know. Let me know in the comments below, or reach out to me somehow. And yeah, maybe I can do like a part 2 or something. I don't know. But yeah, let me know. Guys, thank you for watching this video. I thoroughly enjoyed this one. If you want to see some more DIY videos in the future, be sure to hit that subscribe button and click the bell beside it. That way you'll be notified whenever I make a new video. Other than that, guys, God bless you all, and I hope you all have a great day.